Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Lou Fusz KIA to look at the KIA Optima S. It's a 2020 model, so here we go. So today we're going to review the 2020 KIA Optima S. It's featured here in snow white pearl with a black interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz KIA here in St. Louis. For additional information or to set up a test drive, contact Josh. His information is listed below. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, we see the LED taillights, the Optima S badging, the dual exhaust with the chrome tips. As we move around to the passenger profile, we got a great look at the power heated side mirrors with the LED turn indicators in them. We see the 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped with all-season radial tires. We move around to the front of the vehicle. We can see the daytime running lights, LED headlights, LED fog lights. Great looking vehicle. As we dive into the interior, we can see the fold-down rear seats. The vehicle is equipped with a blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic warning, forward collision avoidance, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist. As we move around to the front driver and passenger area, got a great look at the leather wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. The center stack, we'll touch more on that in a moment. Here's a great view from the back seat of the driver and passenger area, the dashboard, the driver's compartment, leather wrapped steering wheel with the fingertip controls. We'll touch on the fingertip controls here in a little bit. And we get a really nice look of the panoramic moonroof, and here it is in action as we open it up. Let the sun in, and then we also open the sliding and tilting moonroof. This is all one-touch control, and then we do a one-touch control to close the sunshade. Really a nice feature, especially on a beautiful day like this. Here we can see the power windows. The driver's side has a one-touch control for all four windows. Power one touch up, one touch down. Here we look at the center stack. And the center console, nice and deep with a nice tray there. A great place for storage. Here we can see a cubby that with a sliding top that you can access additional power outlets, two 12 volt outlets as well as USB. The media controls, both push button and touch screen. Here we go through the touch screen and show the functionality of the radio. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth wireless technology, Here we see the backup camera when you put the vehicle in reverse. And here we see the drive modes. We have normal, economy, and sport. great look and function of the fingertip controls. You can scroll through and control everything right from this steering wheel. It gives you a clear reading of the condition of the vehicle and different settings that you can make. Here we see the trunk area, the cargo area. The Optima has 5.9 cubic feet. That's with the rear seats up. Also has a rear spoiler, as you can see right here. The engine is a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder GDI engine, producing 185 horsepower. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, producing 24 city and 32 highway. We appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe to the channel.